square, circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, heart.
Good job, yeah. Slice of pizza goes for what shape? What shape is this?
Triangle.
Good job. Put it under triangle. Good job. Clap for Aisha. Very good, Aisha. Pick. Yeah. What is this?
Cookie.
Okay, cookie goes for what shape?
Circle.
Good job. Circle. Clap for Arya. Very good. Watermelon goes for what shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Put it under triangle. Clap for Shabby. Very good. Chocolate. Chocolate goes for what shape, Varyan? This one, yeah? This is rectangle, so we'll put it under rectangle. Clap for Varyan.
Egg.
Egg. It's like what shape?
Oval.
Yeah, put it under oval.
Oval.
Very good, Maisha.